Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Today we are going to see the Maths 2 Standard 10th chapter number 1 Similarity. From this chapter we have seen the practice set 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Now we are going to see the theorem and the practice set 1.4. Theorem of an area of similar triangle. Theorem: when two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR, two triangles are given. These both the triangles are similar triangle, and we are going to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Construction: draw segment AD perpendicular BC, that is B dash D dash C, and draw segment PS perpendicular to QR. At that time Q dash S dash R we are getting. Now we are going to see the proof. Area of triangle ABC, we know the formula, that is half base into height. Now ratio of the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to half, it will be cancelled. Base into height, that is BC into AD upon QR into PS. The same we will write in this way now. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. This is an equation number 1. Now triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. It is given when the two triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion, that is AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, that is corresponding side of similar triangle. And angle B is congruent to angle Q, that is corresponding angle of similar triangle. Now in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, AD that is angle ABD is congruent to angle PQS, and angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ, that is each 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to the triangle PQS by AA test. If the two triangles are similar by AA test, then AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. Here we will give the equation number 2 and here we will give the equation number 3. Now from equation 2 and 3 we will see, we will get that AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR. That is from second and third. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into, here AD upon PS is there, here AD upon PS is there, which is equal to BC upon QR, that is from 4, which is equal to BC square upon QR square. Similarly, we can show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square, which is true. Now practice set 1.4 from that example number 1. The ratio of corresponding side of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Let the corresponding side of the similar triangle be B1 and B2. Therefore, B1 is to B2 is equal to 3:5. It is given. Therefore, ratio of area of triangle is equal to B1 square upon B2 square, which is equal to B1 is to B2, that is 3 square upon 5 square, which is equal to 3 square is in a 9, 5 square is in a 25. That is 9 upon 25 is the answer. Second one, it is given in the form of activity. Second, in the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR and AB is to PQ is equal to 2:3. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. That is the theorem of the area of similar triangle. Values we have kept here. AB, that is 2 square, PQ, that is 3 square. 2 square is in a 4 and 3 square is in a 9. That is 4 upon 9. Third one, in a triangle ABC, if triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then area of triangle ABC is 80, area of triangle PQR is 125. Then fill in the blanks. By the theorem of area of similar triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. The areas values are given, that is 80 upon 125, which is equal to AB square upon PQ square. That is 5 16s are 5 25s are. Here it will come 16 upon 25. Taking square root on both the sides, 16 square root is a 4 and 25 square root is a 5. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. Now fourth one, triangle LMN is similar to the triangle PQR. 16 into area of triangle LMN is equal to 9 into area of triangle PQR. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. Here it is given 16 into area of triangle LMN is equal to 9 into area of triangle PQR. Therefore, area of triangle LMN is equal to, that is upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 upon 16. Now here it is given that triangle LMN is similar to the triangle PQR. Therefore, area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to MN square upon QR square. It is area, ratio of the area is given, that is 9 upon 16 is equal to MN square upon QR square. Taking square root on both the side, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, which is equal to MN. We are going to find it upon QR. QR is given 20. Therefore, MN is equal to 3 into 20 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. MN is equal to 3 into 5, which is equal to 15 units. Now, fifth one, area of triangle. Area of two similar triangle are 225 square unit and 81 square unit. If the side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of the bigger triangle. Here square centimeter it should be there. Here also square centimeter it should be there. Now let the corresponding side of the bigger and smaller be a B1 and B2. Therefore, area of bigger triangle upon area of smaller triangle is equal to B1 square upon B2 square by the theorem of ratio of area, that is a ratio of area of similar triangle. Now here area of bigger triangle is given 225. Area of smaller triangle is given 81, which is equal to B1 square upon B2 square. Taking square root on both the sides, we will get 15 upon 9, which is equal to B1 upon B2. Now 15 upon 9 is equal to this B1, we are going to find it, upon B2 that we have taken as an length of the smaller side, that is an 12. Therefore B1 is equal to 15 into 12 upon 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore B1 is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Now sixth example, area of triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle. If area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 and AB is equal to 4. Find DE. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, that is each 60 degree, as the two triangles are equilateral triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF by AA test. Therefore, as the two triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion, and the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DF square. Sorry, AB square upon DE square. That is ratio of area of similar triangle. Theorem of area of similar triangle. Now the areas ratio is given, that is 1/2 is equal to AB square upon DE square. Taking square root on both the sides, we will get that 1/√2 is equal to AB upon DE. Now AB is also given, that is 4. 1/√2 is equal to 4 upon DE. Therefore, DE is equal to 4/2 unit. Now, seventh example, in the adjoining figure, here it is given that PQ is parallel to DE. PQ is parallel to DE. And area of triangle PQF is 20 square unit. PF is equal to 2 dp. Then find the area of quadrilateral DPQE by completing the following activity. Area of triangle PQF is given 20 square unit. PF is equal to 2 dp. Let dp is equal to x. So PF is equal to 2x. DF is equal to dp plus PF. dp is an x, PF is an 2x. X plus 2x, that is 3x. In triangle FDE and triangle FPQ, angle FDE is congruent to angle FPQ, and angle FED is congruent to angle FQP, that is by corresponding angles. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test. If they are similar, then by the theorem of area of similar triangle, area of triangle FDE upon area of triangle FPQ is equal to DF square upon PF square. DF is an 3x, that is 3x square. PF is an 2x, so 2x square get cancelled. 3 square is an 9, 2 square is an 4. Now area of triangle FDE is equal to, this goes to the other side, it becomes 9 upon 4 into area of triangle FPQ is equal to 9 upon 4. Area of triangle FPQ is given, that is an 20. So 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. 9 into 5, 9 5s are 45 square unit. Then area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to area of triangle FDE minus area of triangle FPQ. FDE we have calculated, that is 45 minus this given in the question, that is 20. 45 minus 20, that is 25 square units. And after completing each example, you can take the screenshot to write it in the notebook. Thank you.